If you are searching for a high-temperature, continuous steam cleaning machine to blast away stubborn grout dirt, kitchen grease, and car detailing grime without relying on harsh chemicals, this 6-level adjustable portable steam cleaner is likely on your radar. Heavy-duty handheld steamers offer incredible chemical-free cleaning power, but understanding how its rapid heating system and accessory kit function in daily use helps determine whether it fits your home setup. Quick disclosure, the product link in the description is an affiliate link, so I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases if you decide to buy through it. The standout feature of this portable steamer is its ultra-fast 15-second heat-up time. Powered by a high-wattage heating element, it transforms tap water into high-temperature pressure steam almost instantly, eliminating long wait times before you can start tackling dirty surfaces. To handle various surface sensitivities, the machine features a 6-level adjustable steam control dial. This lets you dial down the output for delicate tile edges, laminate, or sealed car upholstery, or crank it up to maximum pressure to melt baked-on grease inside ovens, stovetops, and bathroom tile grout lines. Versatility across different cleaning jobs is supported by a comprehensive 16-piece accessory kit. The included attachments such as various nylon and brass detail brushes, bent nozzles, extension wands, and squeegee tools allow you to reach tight corners, engine bays, window tracks, and shower door frames with pinpoint precision. Because the unit utilizes a pressurized hose and wand design fed from its main water tank, it reduces wrist fatigue compared to traditional top-heavy all-in-one handheld steamers. You can rest the base unit on the floor or counter while maneuvering lightweight attachments into tight gaps. When evaluating who this portable steam cleaner is best suited for, it stands out as an excellent versatile tool for homeowners, car detailing enthusiasts, and renters wanting chemical-free deep cleaning for grout, grease, and auto interiors. On the other hand, if you only need a steam mop specifically for wide-open hardwood floor areas, a dedicated upright floor steam mop might be a more convenient option. Before making your final choice, consider whether a 15-second fast-heating steam machine with specialized detailing attachments solves your toughest deep cleaning struggles. If this looks like the right cleaning upgrade for your home and vehicle, you can check current pricing and availability through the product link in the description. If this video helped clarify the feature of this portable 6-level steam cleaner, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point product breakdowns. If you have any questions or cleaning tips, drop them in the comments below.